What is up, Hardies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a collaboration with Imani. I'm going to leave her link in the description below.
Hey you guys, my name is Imani Shakir and I'm so excited to be doing this collaboration video with Shay. When you guys finish watching her video, definitely come by my channel and check it out. I'll also be doing my top 5 favorite products from my 4C low porosity natural hair that have been helping my hair get fuller, become more flourished, grow, all that good stuff. I know you guys are gonna really love it the same way you guys love my girl Shay. So make sure you check that out, subscribe, and join my family as well.
So stay tuned. The first product that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. I absolutely love this product. I love it for my hair. I love it for my son's hair. It is very moisturizing. The scent is really good. Oh my gosh. I love this product. So this is one of my favorite products. My second favorite, most of my loyal subscribers are my loyal Hardies. Most of my loyal Hardies already know that this is going to be my favorite. One of my favorite is the Blue Magic Coconut Oil Hair Conditioner. My hair don't glow without this, okay? I have an affiliated link below if you want to, support your girl. Go click the link, purchase it from there, okay? This is definitely my second favorite. Y'all already know that I've been loving the Camille Rose Natural Moisture Milk. This is my third favorite. I love the scent. It is very similar. The Shea Moisture Style Milk and the Camille Rose Natural Moisture Milk, they're very similar, and it makes my hair feel great, both of them. And the next thing that I've been loving is my Biotin Boost Shampoo. This Biotin Boost Shampoo. For the price, I'm surprised that this thing actually really works. Okay, this Biotin Boost, I've been using it now for, I believe I first mentioned it in January, but I actually had it since December, so I've been using it for probably like 3 months now, and it's really good. I really like it. I'm definitely going to try their other products, but I like this one, so I'll try this one. I also like their conditioning. What is it? Conditioning? It's repairing shampoo. I also like their repairing shampoo. It's really good. My last but not least favorite right now, my favorite was introduced to me by Erlin Bull. I appreciate you. She gave me this. She actually bought it for me, and because she said she has really thick hair, really thick edges, so she's always trying to find something that works for her edges. So she bought me this Hicks Total Transformation edges, and let me tell you, this thing had my edges laid for almost the whole day. Like, I noticed my problem was I would put the edge control and then I don't tie down my hair. So when I go out in the elements, it would just blow away and then my edges wouldn't be laid. But this morning, I put this on my edges. I do my little regular swoops or whatever. And then I tie my hair down for like 10-15 minutes. And I took it off. My edges was laid, and then the whole day, like almost 5 o'clock, my edges was still, like you could still see the soup. It was still, I mean, she was about to die. She was about to crunk out. My edges were, they were like, we still holding on. but it wasn't gone yet. It still had some soups in there. So this is definitely one of my favorites also. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of all my top 5, my current top 5 favorite natural hair products. Definitely go and check out Imani's video. She's awesome, super cute, and I know you'll love all her videos on her channel also. She has some rice water videos, she has some natural hair care videos, so I know you guys will enjoy her channel. Definitely go and check her out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.